The beach is open. Yeah, I don't know about that. God, these tires are good. I'm having a fun little run around the lake here. I did not expect it to be this open. I wanted to come knock the cobwebs off this thing, and this has worked out great. Just didn't even think I'd make it this far. So if I can get across this, I can go all the way back to my old camping spot. This is actually fine. I should be able to cross this. So I just want to walk it through this though. Oh yeah, we are grounding out there. Where'd you ride your FZ07 today? Oh, you know, through a creek. I'm always shocked. I'm shocked at how well this thing grips, how it moves through this kind of terrain. A little beer Christmas tree. Oh, and a liquor bottle for a star. Now this I doubt we can cross. Oh, this is looking very wet. That's just asking. Let's not get stuck out here by myself as it's getting close to night. We'd literally have to just leave it. You know when you like off-roading and you go through some things that you're like, well, hopefully I won't have to come back this way. I got like 2 to 3 of those to deal with, and it's getting dark and cold and cold and dark. Where the did I cross? It's definitely gonna high center when we get up here, so you might want to. Oh, my fingers I pinched my own fingers. Okay, well, it's a weird position to start. Let's see if it'll do it. That grip. What am I doing? What's this video about? Is it about Jake being dumb? Often videos are, so I shouldn't act like that's that big a deal. Little thing clinging. Oh yeah, this is actually very tacky and nice. This is. We'll go, hi everybody. Remember when I added these dumb lights on this bike and I was like, I thought to myself, Jake, will I ever actually need that? You know, because we're stupid and we put ourselves in dumb situations. Turns out, yes, I will need those headlights. Shout out to Baja. Now I think from here, we're mostly good. Wow! You know what I really want to do? I want to do like this. I want to do wheelies with my friends. That's the biggest things I want to do on a motorcycle these days. I'd love to do some long adventures, honestly. I feel like my little kid, she's 2 now. It was a weird time, you know, when she was first born. I had to kind of chill out for a minute, you know, doing trips. You got to be there to help the wife. And I mean, technically she went back to work for a little bit when Savannah was first born. And I was like, I can't deal with the 2 of them. I mean, I could. There's no way I could get work done. But anyways, wife was like, yeah, the wife was like, let's do some drifts, mate. And I was like, man, I didn't know you was about that life. And she's like, I've always been about that life. You've been holding me back. Hey, tree. Woo, woo. Let's go high beam. Look at that high beam. Look at that race light. Looks like we need to cut up somewhere. I gotta go back. I missed the junction. I want to do some trips now, mate. I have at least 2 different people talking to me about doing the Trans-American Trail or whatever. At least parts of it. I think up here. I gotta go back. Dude, it's hard to remember when it's dark. Like, there's spots I gotta be on the high parts and parts I gotta be on the low parts. Okay, we gotta get back up there. No big deal. No big deal. Hey, once it's hit dark, it right. Like, there's no reason to be in a frantic hurry now. We have the lights of the gods with us. I know where this goes. It's a long trek up into the woods, so we don't want to do that right now. There we go. I know, I gotta go out on that little peninsula and go down. That's right, I came up that. It's also dark now, which adds an element of terror for mine. That's nothing. Literally nothing. I mean, it was huge for the thumbnail. Oh my God, we almost died. This bike, you try to make it like step out and drift a little bit, and it just hooks up and wheelies on you. You're like, yeah, come on, go! It just goes. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Wow. Wow, he is so quiet when I'm not out. So I heard like a load of coyotes, which I'm not actually alarmed about at all when I'm riding. I'm not. You think they're gonna put something that makes that noise? Like, they're not that bold. But when you're sitting there, you're like, ooh, why are y'all making that noise? Is that a hungry noise? Oh, that's muddy. Don't stop. Don't lose the momentum. Don't lose the momentum. Oh, me. Is this the right way? I don't remember it being muddy. It's not the right way. Unless I come up from in there. It's not a path at all. I know this place really well in the day. Get me out here at night. Ah, it's muddy. Okay, I'm gonna stick to the outside of it, seem better. Now keep that momentum up. Keep that momentum up. All right. Now where the but I think I was like up here when I did this. Of course, I don't remember going through that. Oh, this is Trixie's. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Might be a path up there. Doesn't really look like it. Seems like that's the place where I was at was right. Like maybe I just need to go further down, but I just can't figure out how to do it. Okay, there's no way I was up there. So I was down here for this. All right, let's think. Okay, here's the deal. We definitely came this way. I mean, I might have to stop and do some reconnaissance. Yeah, because it gets so muddy. Let's stick to that. That looks better. Let's just take this around. I think that's what it is. I think you do just stick to this. I was right, man. Stupid night got me all confused. My old self is right here in front of me the whole time. Should have turned a little more. And you know what it is? You know what it is? I thought I was at a different part of the lake than I am. I thought I was just around this turn up at this next little cove thing. This is where that jump used to be. Anyone remembers back in the day? It's fully eroded now. You want to see it? There's where that jump used to be. It's actually almost a jump again then if you're really good. Like B-Rad, we get B-Rad out here and he'll make that a jump. Hesitant to go through here. Do not believe I came up this way, and I know it gets muddy at parts through here. I think it's all right. I think it's all right. I think it's all right. No, this is all overgrown to hell. I'm not doing all that right now. I gotta start packing with me. I've got a clear visor for this, these Ruroc goggles. And I got that quick like snap with a magnet system. So it's like literally like no excuse not to carry it with me. Okay, I think this is the way out right up here. I'm sitting here like making these dumb mistakes, and I literally have a GPS device that its function is to lay down breadcrumbs so that you know how you went. And again, I overestimated, and I thought, oh, I'll be fine. I'm smart. I go out here all the time. I'll remember my way back. But look, there's some Christmas lights, so you know that means we're doing good things. Wasn't that just a fun surprise adventure? This is a great bike. The silly I'll do with this thing. Where would you have old Jakey boy go if you could have him go somewhere on an old adventure? Because honestly, I have not done enough adventure stuff. I want to go ride more adventure stuff. I know I get hung up with making the garage videos. It's all a means to an end. I just want to have a cool bike to ride. Give me some suggestions though, man. I'm trying to build up my portfolio of maps in this thing. Now I'm cold. 45F. Yeah, 45 once the sun's gone down. I know, you're from a way colder place, Jake, and my dick is bigger too. I'm sure it is. I'm gonna go home and get inside. Okay, that's gotta only go on the Patreon. I'm gonna go have me a hot coffee. Later, fools. Yeah.